Hey everybody, it's Sharif from DrvAway. So I'm gonna go see a customer car right now. It's about an hour and a half away from the main city. So I'm taking a road trip by myself here. Just gonna go see the car for my customer. That's the thing, guys, in terms of paperwork, documents, the seller. I always say you're buying the seller. You're not buying the car, you're buying the seller. You guys can kind of see me in action, out and about. A lot of you guys are saying why I don't go live. I'm actually doing this live right now as we speak. I'm actually recording, not going live. I'm recording right now. Next move, I'll be going live. But I want you guys to live the moment with me from DrvAway. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, yeah, so I went to see the car, right? So first of all, the gate, right? The gauge, the low-high temperature gauge. Looks like that gauge is not the oil, right, level. Yeah. Low-high is not even working. The gauge, it's not working. It is broken. And he said the seat.
Yes, it's broken.
The seat is broken. Okay.
And the ignition is broken. Like that's the tumbler. Not the tumbler, but that little thing there. I put it back in the ashtray. That little chrome thing.
The chrome? Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not worried about the chrome. These are small stuff. I just only focus on the big stuff.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, I don't care about the chrome, but I appreciate you telling me. Yeah. So let's see the AC here. So it turn on, it doesn't turn off. Oh, here you go. It's turning on now. See if these buttons are working or not.
No, I think
the buttons are not working? Okay.
Yeah, they work. I guess though. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
That's for you.
No, saying the buttons for the sound.
Oh, I don't think they do because it's aftermarket stereo.
Okay, yeah. How much you took it from him for? So you said you only took it on a trade 4 days ago?
Yeah, but
that is your top 5 summer series for the top.
Yeah, what's that? Sorry.
To Ontario in 2026.
Oh, okay.
Now let's get you back into the weekly Top 20 countdown with Millsy.
Number 12.
Okay.
That's the day for it, so he gave me the car and cash on top.
Okay, took it 4 days ago. I see.
Yeah. Yeah, 4 days ago. So I just listed it. What do you look at it? Just gonna check. It'll come up. Yeah, it'll come up.
Why it's not? So info. Why is it? Okay. Oh, so it's a US. I know because of the gauges on it.
Yeah.
So 20, 40, 80. So what should be enlarged? The smaller numbers, not the big numbers.
Yeah.
So 20, 40, 80, that's miles, and it shows 72,000 miles. Which is, yeah, so it's a US vehicle. Okay. Which is fine. I mean, it's not a deal breaker. It's a US vehicle, but just for me to know. Okay. Oh, okay. Right on. You couldn't insure it?
No, he probably couldn't insure it.
A little bit of rust here. Okay, that's fine. I mean, it's an 010. I'm not expecting anything. Like I said, it's the biggest thing is the... Sounds a little high, and there's like a little bit of a tick. If you guys can hear, there's a little tick. But that's not a good thing. Because they're 19s. The bottom looks... What's that?